clap your hands, guys. Palakpakan naman. Alright, 5. Alright, so about to start our magic show. Okay, so kids, are you ready? I think so. So please speak it louder. Are you ready? Alright. Bakit may nagpalakpak? Okay, so this time everybody kids, okay? Kids, if you could still remember, Tigulug make a fire and turn into a bird. Very good. And this time, who wants to touch my bird. Okay, so here's my bird. Everybody, again, this time, here's my bird. Okay, and gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo ang name sa akong nga bird. Ang name niya is Doggy. Yes, Doggy the bird. Okay? And you know guys, lately ko lang nabalaan, may mga talent ni si Doggy. Okay? Gusto niyo makita ang talent ni Doggy? Watch very closely. This is very difficult talent of Doggy. Okay? Watch, Doggy! Step 1, 2, and 3. Clap your hands, guys. It's so amazing. See? Alright? Wait, there's more. And kaya maka-understand sa Chinese. Yes, okay, watch very closely. Again, Doggy! Xinma! Xinma! Do you know Xinma Xinhua? Washing machine. Sorry lang. Okay, and kids, this time I need one volunteer. Okay, so I need one volunteer. Who wants to volunteer to raise your hands? Okay, come on. I need girl. Oh, hi, you want to volunteer, my friend? Come on, don't be shy. How about you, my friend? And clap your hands, guys. A round of applause, please. Palakpakan naman. Yay! And we have our first volunteer. And what's your name, my friend? Seiya. Clap your hands, guys, for Seiya. Palakpakan naman. So, Seiya, so are you ready? Yes, okay. So this time, so we're gonna make a bird. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay na. Okay. And this time for everybody, guys. Wait, we're gonna need a yes. Two hanky. Okay. So we have purple and green. Okay. So Zia, what do you want? Purple or green? Purple. Okay. You don't like green? Okay. Just hold it. Okay. And this time, Zia, just hold this. Okay. Very good. Okay. And I have red magic one. Okay. So kids, this magic one. Okay. Guys, some of you, okay, many times ako nakawatch ng magician, and once mag-give ang ilang magic one, kaka-break or kaka-balik. Right? Sakto? But my red magic one, wala na siya kakabali or kakaguba. Because this magic one is made in Dorimani. Dorimani. Okay? Sige. And just hold. And this time, friends, yeah, all you have to do is turn around the magic one 3 times. Okay? Go like this. 1, 2, and 3. And stop the sail and shout bird. Okay? Again. Recap. 1, 2, 3, and top! 9. Okay, go like this. And top. Okay? Very good. And shout bird. Okay? Sige. And kids, so please shout naman kisiya. Okay? Everybody shout bird! Make it louder! Here we go. Cover your hands, guys, for Zia. Palakpakan mo. Okay, everybody. Here's the silk. Ready? Turn around the magic one. 1, 2, 3, and top. Okay. Inaynayan mo lang siya, ha? Okay? May mas ko ang bird. Okay, here we go. Top. And everybody shout bird. Guys, bird. Sabi siya, ito kayo ba ng chalant lang? And since they go first of all, volunteer, you receive our... Dito to siya. Kato din na ka, may prize kaya.
Bye-bye.
Ayan. Para... Siya, I get. Okay. And we have a... Wait. Cash prize. Clap your hands. See? Sa pakipon na lang talaga. Microphone. And shake. And thumbs up. Down. Up. Open. And clap your hands, guys. Here we go. Everybody clap your hands, please. One. Everybody clap your hands. Slow. All right. Clap your hands, please. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. You want more? Kahit wala, daya. Okay? I don't like daya because I'm a professional magician. Okay? Kids, mayroon wala? Wala. Very good. And I have a chill silk, okay, which is the purple and green. Where's my green here? Okay, green. Okay, here's my green. Okay. First magic. Watch very closely. This is very difficult magic, okay, I ever made, okay? First, okay, I'm gonna put inside this green hanky and followed by the purple one, okay? And at the count of 1, 2, 3, and using my giant magic wand, okay, the magic will happen. Ready? 1, and please come with me, guys. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and now! Wow! Clap your hands, guys. Okay? Ang color green kanina nga panyo, naging mo na purple. Tapos ang purple kanina nga panyo, naging mo na color green. Clap your hands, guys. It's so amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, wait, liwaton ko kasi makapakamuto ka dasig lang. Okay, again, ang color purple kanina nga silk, nga naging mo na green, I'll put it inside, okay? And ang green kanina naging mo na purple, ibutang ka bigit sa sulod. At the count of 3 using my giant magic wand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stop! Clap your hands, guys. Ang color green kanina naging mo na purple, tapos ang purple kanina naging mo na color green. Thank you. Wala ka mo na amaze? Kahit na lang ang magic, kahit na lang ang magic. At, pakikuha ito ano yung isang akon niya. Magic. Kahit na lang ito ng magic, okay? So this magic ay pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so walang kabalo, almost 15 years na si Titulog sa magic industry, okay? So, amo ni nga, bukod sa likod. And amo ni pakita ko sa inyo, almost 2 years ko na siya natunan, okay? So I hope you like it and clap your hands, guys. Come on!
Sino ka lang, sabi mo. 1 year old ka pa lang.
Watch, guys! And this is what we call the jumping fish, okay? So this time, everybody, this fish, okay? It will transfer here at the count of 3. Okay? Ma-amaze ka mo, kids? Watch, guys. Masaylo din siya. Ready? And count 1, 2, 3. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, and ta-da! Clap your hands, guys. That's so amazing. Yeah. I did not flip it. Okay, again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and ha! Ta-da! Clap your hands. Grabe. Woo! 2 years. Ay. Hindi ko hindi ko makasugid sa sa binutik ko. Kasi pinakay na kanina na rin. Alright, okay, so guys, ano na lang. Hindi nyo gusto makadto ang isda? Ako kumuobra, karami siya. Another 2 years. Alright, okay, I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so everybody kids, for entertainment pleasure, okay? So ang isda, ibutang ko sa tunga, okay? So are you ready, kids? Here we go! Ready? And kids, count 1, 2, 3. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, and up! Ah! Clap your hands, okay? How many fish do I have? Huh? 1. So are you sure? Ah! Clap your hands, guys. Wala pa kayo. Oh, di ba? 2 years. Okay, for this magic, I need 1 volunteer. I need girl. Ikaw, kami ka. Sige na. Don't be shy. Hindi mo kuya. Ayan. Sige na. Okay. And again, guys, okay. How about adults? Oh. Hi. Okay siya na isa. Ginaligaw ko. Mapili ka kita mga Ayan. Ma'am, ready? Hi! Okay, hi! What's your name, by the way? Hana, no? Ginanong mo ko? Hana? Hana. Okay, and Hana was with you? With your friends? And enemies? Okay, and ma'am, if you don't mind, how young are you? 24! Wow, you look like 23. 32. Okay, so ma'am, sa 24 ka na nag-i-6 sa kalimutan, kapati ka sa magic mo. Kapati ka sa magic, yes or no? Oh, masakay, no? Ha? Kapati ka. Lagi nyo ito kapati ka, ito kiniinto ka na, pero kapati ka magyapon, no? Okay. So ma'am, so this time, so we'll be having our next magic. So are you ready? Yeah, okay. Cynthia? Okay, so once again, clap your hands guys for Hannah. Palakpakan naman. Alright, drink kami son.
For a moment, life doesn't seem quite so bad. For a moment, I
And then
can't
put both hands. Go like this. Front of the audience. And clap your hands, please. Palakpakan naman. Raise.
but don't get carried away.
Oh.
Never let down your guard. Let them into your heart for a moment. Not for a moment.
Noodle, noodle, apple strudel. Some people don't and some people doodle. Snakes,
Clap your hands, please.
goes bears and poodles. Singing this song will improve your noodle. Noodle dee dee, noodle dee dum. We're having oodles and oodles of fun. Noodle, noodle, apple strudel. Some people
Clap your hands, please.
people doodle. Snakes, flamingos, bears, and eagles. Singing this song will improve your noodle. Noodle dee dee, noodle dee dum. We're having oodles and noodles of
Palakpakan naman. A 5 winners per item. Ready? First item, who can bring us? Okay? Bring us a coin. A coin but 20 peso coin. Go! 20 peso coin! They receive a points on reward. Who can bring us any kind of loyalty card? Go! Loyalty cards, back, very good. Go time, dapat go time, ha? Alright, ayan. Okay, almost done. Okay. Wow. Utang ko mo. Okay, wait lang. Ladies and gentlemen, the sexy, beautiful mommy and tita. Yan kami, Ma'am Pantropiko. Around of applause, guys. kids. And the first question is, what is the complete name of our birthday girl? Go! Say, check. Sino pangalan? Batman? Batman! Okay, ano ang atong celebrator? Inaanak. Okay. Maninay. Okay. So my... Maninoy. Sorry. Okay. So my question is, what is the complete name of our birthday girl? The first name, the second name, the middle initials, and the last name. Go!
Brianna Reyes Robles Vargas.
Yes or no? It's... correct. Clap with hands. Alright, palakpakan naman. Clap with hands, please. Yes, kuya? What's the year?
24.
July 26, 2024. It's correct. Clap your hands, guys. Palakpakan naman. Okay. Next question. Butayan natin na. Next question is, ano oras naman king bata si Rihanna? Okay. Sige. Okay. Ano oras, ma'am?
3:45.
Sorry, kali. Okay. Follow-up question. Ano ang room number, ma'am ni Rihanna? Alright, thank you so much. Clap your hands, guys. Palakpakan.